What's up and welcome to another video. So this video, you know what it is about. It is about the Selfie Mondays, the segment in which we are working on ourselves in order to make ourselves better, in order to be able to accomplish our dreams, in order to be able to just, live a better life. So, for the people who haven't been following me, who's unfortunately this is the first video of this Me's lifestyle that you're watching, you really should subscribe, because this is where you'll get tips on how to live a better life, tips on how to be more productive, tips on how you can be more into fashion, tips how you can up your game as a man. So yes, for the people who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And for the people who have been following me, who have already subscribed to my channel, who are already following me on my Insta page, who are already following the Selfies Monday segment, I love you. And let's get the video started. Before starting up the video, welcome again to my car studio. Yeah, my car studio. I love to make videos here. It's too peaceful. No disruptions, no distractions. It's just me teaching what I've learned to you. So we could grow together. We can be a better person all together. So in this episode, we'll be talking about, if you have been following my episodes, then I really hope that you have a good understanding of how to establish self-discipline in your daily life, and how to stay focused, and how to never lose your sight of dreams, what your main goal is, what you want to do, how to not quit on your dreams. You know why? Because these were actually the first, second and third episodes respectively of Selfie Monday segment. And if you think you find these topics interesting, please jump onto that videos, go through them, you'll love them, work on yourselves, and get back to this video. So yeah, this episode is about, first, now that you've been working on self-discipline, you've been working on how to stay focused, you've been working on how to never lose sight of your dreams. This episode is focused on how you can keep yourself motivated every day. Motivation is pretty much a very important part on how you can achieve your goals, how you can be a better person, to be motivated at the same equal level every day, to be motivated in such a way that your day ends with a blast, that your day ends with you feeling more powerful about yourself and you feeling more productive. Okay, so just a pinky question before that, because I'm really confused. Are these glasses suiting me, or no, it's more of a bad boy look? And I don't think we need a bad boy look for such a segment, Selfie Mondays. Okay, let's just say that you have been following what I taught you, what I told you in the last episodes, every day on a daily basis. And if you are following that, you might be feeling that there is just one single thing missing from your recipe, and that, let me break it to you, that ingredient is motivation. Also, you know what, stop trying to look for motivation in YouTube videos. They might help you. They will actually, there are some videos that will help you in gaining a better perspective, in knowing a lot of important points. But then again, if you're not following them too, you're not actually fulfilling what you actually want to do. So motivation is not lying around you. Motivation is in you. It's all and everything in you. You have to gain all and everything in yourself to keep yourself motivated. And how we are going to do that? Let's learn. Alrighty, so the first point is probably the easiest to execute, and in order to keep yourself motivated every day, it's revising your goal before you sleep and the first thing after you wake up. It might sound lame at first, but if you do this, just try this for say 5 days. Before going to sleep, remember where you want to reach, remember how rich you want to be, remember what you want to do for your family, remember what your real actual goal is. Remember the exact same things first thing in the morning, and trust me, it will somewhere motivate you deep down and will schedule and will form an unconscious timetable in your mind which you will follow very happily. So this is one of the most important points for registering your goal every day, because so that it is the only thing that you think about for the rest of your day and also before the sleep. The second point that you have to keep in mind while setting your goals and doing something about it is making sure there are your goals. By this I mean that are you sure those goals are not something that you have to do or you should do, or your parents or the society or your friends are doing, and it is something that you want to do, you have been wanting to do it for your life. Make sure it is you that has set up that goal. Make sure that it is your dream that you're working on and not something that you think you have to do because the society thinks you should. That will give you some clarity and that will help you in getting a fresh start. So it should be your goal that you want to work on and not someone else's. Keep that in mind, and every day keep that in mind. So we discussed 2 points till now. First was revising your goal, what your goal means to you, what your actual really goal is before going to sleep, and the first thing you after you wake up in the morning. Revise your goal, what you have to do, where you want to reach, how rich you want to be. Second of all, know and make sure that it is your goal and not someone else's. It is something that you want to do and not what the society, what your family, what everyone else think that you should. Cool? Got these 2 points? Okay, let's jump on to the third point. Now that you have created a particular schedule, a particular way, in a manner in which you have to do everyday tasks, start monitoring your results. This will tell you how efficient you are, and if you're being more efficient day by day, if that particular task takes lesser time tomorrow, that means you're getting good at it. So monitor your results, how well you are doing. This will also be helpful in case you want to do a SWOT analysis of yourself. You'll know where you're lacking and you know where you have to put more work. So that's that, keeping results keeping track and monitoring your results every day on a regular basis before you sleep and before you revise your goal. Take a notebook and a pen. Just calculate in your mind that are you doing this task correctly? Is this the exact and is this the appropriate efficiency that you need to complete this task from tomorrow onwards? And if you are willing to achieve your dream, you have to be that motivated towards achieving it. So you have to monitor your tasks, monitor your results every day. Till now, the 3 points we learned how we can stay motivated every day are: first, revising your goal every night before you sleep and the first thing in the morning every day. Second was making sure there are your goals and not your dreams, and your goals are not manipulated by society and what your family or what everyone else thinks. Third, keeping track and monitoring your results every day on a daily basis. Knowing how efficient you are, knowing what your weaknesses are, knowing what opportunities may come in your way. You have to know that. And how will you know that? By actually monitoring the results on a daily basis. You might be getting better at something, but if you're not monitoring that thing, if you're not actually knowing that you're getting better at that, you're losing a skill right there, man. Okay. The fourth thing I want you to do every day is just do this, the points we've discussed every day. That means be consistent. Being consistent, doing every day, doing some tasks every day on a direction that will lead you to your goals will automatically keep you motivated. Why? Because if you're monitoring your results, you'll know that you're getting better. And if you're getting better, you'll want to do it from the bottom of your heart. It will come from beneath, it will come from your guts that you have to do it. So be consistent. Do these tasks every day, no matter how lazy you feel. Just complete the basic, the minimalist. If you're not well, okay, that's totally a different scenario. If you're not well, but still try to keep yourself motivated on those days too, because it's that kind of days that will actually count afterwards. The days when you're at your lowest, how you still keep yourself motivated, how you can still keep your dreams alive. Because when you're low in life, when you're lazy, when you're feeling ill, when you're not well, when you're going through heartbreak, trust me, those days will so much provoke you to give up on your dreams. But those are the days when you have to not give up, when you have to gain all the courage that every single cell of your body has and not fucking give up. Got it? The last point, okay, the fifth point that we're going to discuss that will keep you motivated every day is understanding the power of deadlines. So this point will also cover your habit of procrastination. You can't procrastinate every day. You can't procrastinate some essential tasks, because you have to understand the power of deadlines. If this particular task, if this thing has to be done today, it has to be fucking done today. You can't just postpone it every day. You can't just sit back on your lazy ass and postpone it for tomorrow. If you're postponing this essential task for tomorrow, you're postponing your dream for about 5 years, man. If you're getting lazy today, you're postponing your dreams for about 5 years, man. And you don't want to do it. You don't want to regret after 10 years of working hard that you didn't achieve your dream, that you didn't achieve your goal. Right? Think upon it. You can't just let it go. The goals and dreams are not the shit that you let go. What you let go are bad thoughts, bad vibes, bad people, bad company. Those are the things that you let go. Not your dreams, and not your goals. Okay, so the 5 points we discussed in today's Selfie Mondays episode 4, how to stay motivated, are: first, revise your goal before sleeping and the first thing in the morning, to keep yourself, to keep that dream, lingering in your mind. Whatever you do all your day, you still have your goal at the back of your mind. You're still thinking about it at the back of your mind. The second thing, make sure they are your goals and not something that is the conclusion of your manipulation, that you've been manipulated by the society, by your family, by your friends, by anyone else around you. Make sure they are yours. Make sure that is something that you want to do. The third thing that we discussed today to keep yourself motivated is monitoring and keeping track of your results on a daily basis. This will also encompass your habit of procrastination. So if you're keeping track of your results, how you're doing, are you getting better, this is also you can also say that this can be a SWOT analysis. What are your strengths? What are you getting better at? What are your weaknesses? What are the fields that you have to work more on? What are your opportunities? What are the things that will come your way and boost you in your career? What are your threats? SWOT analysis. Monitor your tracks, monitor your results on a daily basis. Be consistent. The fourth thing was be consistent, which means that you have to do these things on a daily basis, every day. You can't just work hard for one day and think that you will achieve your goal. That is not how this works. How this works is you have to work your ass off every day, every freaking day, and get better. Your every consecutive day should have a better result than the previous day. You understand me? So that's how you want to do it. The fifth point that we discussed is understanding the power of deadlines. You can't afford to procrastinate. You can't afford to postpone working hard, because if you're postponing it today, if you're delaying that shit for tomorrow, you're postponing your dreams, you're postponing your goals 5 years ahead down the line. Trust me, that's not what you want to do. Keep these 5 points in your mind. Practice this for the rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next video. Before wrapping up this video, I'll leave you with a thought. Right? Thought of the, they say the thought of the day, but I leave you with thought of the video. So there are a million things that you may have to keep in mind in order, if you're willing to achieve your goals. But trust me, those million things only come under the hierarchy of the 5 points that we've discussed till now. Everything you think of, anything, it will eventually fall under these 5 points. So I leave you with the thought that, are you not willing to just take care of these 5 points so that you can work for yourself, so that you can be a better person tomorrow, so that you achieve what you're working for? Think upon it, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so if are you still waiting? I know. So I forgot to say that subscribe to my channel, and I also forgot to say that I love you and I won't be leaving you until you get better. So yep, I'll see you in the next video. Tada, take care, work on yourself, don't give up, work hard, and I'll see you. Bye.